Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by identifying your mail system and available export formats like PSD or MBOX. Check account access and administrator permissions before continuing. Choose backup destinations such as an external drive with 1 TB space or a cloud service with versioning. Decide retention policies now and label archives clearly, for example yearly archives or client A 2025. Confirm you have at least 2 copies planned and verify disk space. Gather passwords, app-specific tokens, and ensure 2-factor authentication codes are available for exports. Open your mail client or admin console and choose the built-in export tool. Select mail folders, contacts, and calendar items and export to PSD or MBOX. Export attachments and calendar items together or separately as IX files when needed. Name the file with date and account like mailbox, example 2025-1122. Compress exported files to zip and split into 4 GB segments for FAT32 compatibility. Verify checksums using SHA-256 and record the hash in a text file next to the archive. Move or upload backups to at least 2 locations, for example an external drive and cloud storage. Keep 1 copy offsite and ensure the external drive has at least 1 TB free. Verify backups by restoring a sample mailbox and comparing SHA-256 checksums to the recorded values. Automate daily exports using scheduled tasks or backup software set to incremental mode to save space. Test full restores quarterly and update retention or encryption keys when personnel changes occur to maintain security and access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.